Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace tailgate handle on Toyota Tundra Easy Guide. Remove the inner tailgate trim panel, disconnect the latch rod, unbolt the handle assembly, swap the part, and test the latch operation before reinstalling the trim and hardware. Use a Phillips screwdriver and 10 mm socket, keep fasteners organized, and lubricate moving parts with white lithium grease for smoother operation and longer life. Choose a sun. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical gardening tips, and thanks for the support. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which is great for relaxing in the garden between tasks and keeping planting notes handy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and now let's get back to the video. Water garlic regularly, keeping soil evenly moist without waterlogging, and reduce watering as foliage browns near harvest time. Apply a balanced fertilizer or side dress with compost around mid-season to support bulb development, and remove flowerscapes as they appear to redirect energy into the bulbs for larger harvests. Monitor for fungal issues and treat promptly, and keep beds weed-free to reduce competition for nutrients and moisture.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.